Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp for iPhone. So let's get started. So first, open your WhatsApp on your phone. And from here, let's tap on Settings. Now tap on Account and then Privacy. From here, tap on Status. And from here, you can see three tabs: My Contacts, My Contacts Except, and Only Share With. Now, if you select My Contacts, your online status will be visible to all your contacts. If you select My Contacts Except, your online status will be visible to your contacts except those people that you choose not to see it. Now, if you choose Only Share With, you can actually choose people who can only see your online status. Let's tap on Only Share With, and it's going to open a list of contacts who can only see your online status. So if you want to hide your online status from everybody else, you can add your secondary account and then you can choose it. Doing so will hide your online status from all your contacts except your secondary account. So that's how you hide your online status on WhatsApp for iPhone. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.